In today's video, I will explore the Linux grep command covering its syntax, options, and practical examples. Here we will search for single or multiple words in files and directories, display line numbers, ignore case sensitivity, and perform inverted grep searches. So stay tuned to discover how the grep command simplifies your task. Let's get started. The grep command is the shortcut for global regular expression print. It is very useful for searching files and directories containing matching words or characters lines. You will also be able to know the path name of the files and line numbers with it. The syntax for the grep command is grep followed by options and patterns. Now the options. To learn about them, you can always check the manual page for the grep command. For that, type man grep. Hit enter and the manual page for grep command is displayed. To exit this page, you need to press Q. For practical demonstration, I have already created two files, file1.txt and file2.txt. In the first example, I will use the file1.txt. So let's see the contents of file1.txt. Now I will show how to search for a specific word or character inside a file using the grep command. So type in the terminal grep linux file1.txt. This command searches for the word Linux in the contents of the file1.txt and displays those lines that contains this word. So now hit enter and you can see all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux and the words are highlighted with red color. Likewise, the previous example, you can search for a specific word or character inside multiple files using the grep command. Here I will use the both files file1.txt and file2.txt. And on this screen, you can see the contents of these two files. Now to search inside multiple files, I will type the command grep linux file1.txt file2.txt. This command will search for the word Linux in these two files and display any lines that contain the word Linux. So hit enter. You can see in the terminal all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux inside both files. Now in this example, I will search for multiple words or characters inside a file using the grep command. So write in the terminal grep -e linux -e love file2.txt. This command will search for lines containing either Linux or love in the file2.txt. So hit enter and you can see all the lines are printed containing the both words Linux and love inside the file. Now let's delve into more advanced techniques that will undoubtedly save your time. With the help of the grep command, you can efficiently search for a specific word or characters within all the files in a directory. Let's explore how to do this. For this, you have to navigate to your desired directory. I am navigating to the desktop directory. Now type grep linux * and this command will search for the word Linux in all the files in the desktop directory using the asterisk sign. Hit enter. See, all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux inside all the files of the desktop directory. Usually grep gives the matching words as well as the substring of the matching words. But searching for only the whole word or character inside a file using the grep command is also possible with the option -w. To do so, type in the terminal grep -w linux *. Hit enter and you can see all the lines are printed containing the whole word Linux only. It has not highlighted the word LinuxSimply as here Linux is the substring of the word. Now in this example, I will search for a specific word or character inside subdirectories using the grep command. To search for any word inside a subdirectory, we can use the option -r. So in the terminal, I'm typing grep -r linux *. Hit enter. And look, all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux. Also, all the files in the subdirectory and their path name is printed here. Now let's learn how to search for a specific word or character inside a file and also show the line numbers using the grep command. Here we need to use the option -n with the command. So in the terminal, type grep -n linux file1.txt. Hit enter and see all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux and their line numbers. Suppose you wish to search for a specific word or character inside a file and also see the before, after and both lines of the specific word. Yes, you can make it with the help of the grep command. For this, I will use the file1.txt and you can see the content of file1.txt in the terminal. Now to see the before lines, type grep -B2 Linux file1.txt. This command will search for the word Linux in the file1.txt and display each line along with two before lines. So hit enter. Look, two lines are printed before the matching word as I say. Again, to see the after lines, use the command grep -A2 Linux file1.txt. Hit enter and you can see two lines are printed after the matching word as the before lines. Now, if you want to see both before and after using a single command, then type grep -C2 Linux file1.txt. Hit enter and see two lines after and before of the word Linux are printed. Do you know, by default, the grep command does not show the matching words if the names cases are wrong. To ignore the case sensitivity, you may use the -i option. For example, if you type grep -i Linux file2.txt, this will print all the lines containing the word Linux, even though the Linux L is not in capital letter. Hit enter and you can see all the lines are printed containing the matching word Linux, although the case in the command line is not correct. This is the last one and very interesting. You can search inside a file where the line containing the given word or character will not be printed. To do so, type grep -v Linux file1.txt. Hit enter and see all the lines are printed except the lines containing the matching word Linux. To conclude, now you have all the knowledge about the grep command in Linux. With the given practical examples, you will be able to execute many commands to grep the location of different matches on your machine. For more insights, go through the article linked in the description and also check the description for commands. Thank you.